Final assembly, end cover and shifter installation. Install the last detent, making sure to clean and thread lock the threads. Torque to specifications. Install the backup light switch, making sure to use a new sealing washer. Tighten to specifications. Clean the end cover with a clean towel and brake clean. Use a soft Scotch-Brite blue pad with the power tool to remove the old sealant. Be careful not to remove any metal. Clean the cover and the gasket surface with brake clean and compressed air. Finish cleaning the gasket surface with brake clean and a white paper towel. Apply a thin bead of sealant onto the cover gasket surface. Apply a bead of approximately 3/16 to 1/8 of an inch going around the bolt holes. Clean the gasket surface on the transaxle housing with a white paper towel and brake clean. Install the end cover and tighten the bolts finger tight. When using Ultra Gray, set the timer for 1 hour. During the cure time, install the shifter. Make sure to replace the gasket if it's not a training transaxle. Make sure all the shifter gates are centered in the neutral position. Center the shifter actuating lever on the shifter. Install the shifter into the housing, making sure to align the bolt holes and the activation lever. Once installed, install the bolts and torque them to specifications. Now that 1 hour has passed, it's time to torque the end cover bolts. Install the shifter guide bolt, making sure to use a new sealing washer. Torque to specifications. Finish by installing the shifter linkage pivot lever. Install the shifter boot. The final check is to shift and spin the transaxle, testing every gear. First, second, third, fourth, reverse, and fifth.